At the turn of the century, technology tsunami is sweeping all industry and banking is no exception. This has brought banking to the drawing room of the client. Indian Bank, on its part, has been a front runner in bringing its many benefits to you. It was the first bank to launch a drive-in ATM and was one of the foremost banks to implement the core banking solution across all its branches in record time. From strengthening its ATM network to introducing bulk note acceptor, which is a cash acceptor as well as a cash dispenser, from net banking facilities to mobile and app banking services, from leveraging its call center to facilitating SMS banking, we have increasingly aligned ourselves to our preferences and are offering 24/7 banking. With rich features, easy navigation and robust security, our net banking facility is one of the best in the banking space. Through net banking, you can receive on-demand summary and a detailed statement of accounts for both deposits and loans. You can open fixed deposit, you can transfer funds, the request checkbook, seed Aadhaar, your identity, pay utility bills and taxes, enquiry for demat and pension accounts, and do much more. And your growing affinity towards mobile phone has not escaped our eye, and hence IndPay, our official mobile app, has been made keeping all your needs and sensibilities in mind. Besides most of the facilities offered under net banking, IndPay has exclusive features of M-Passbook, branch locator and blocking of cards. A young bustling team with the technical expertise is continuously at work to bring more functions into its ambit, and novel offerings like IB Smart Remote, IB Customer App and IB Mobi EC are a natural outcome of that. Not just the urban Indian, but the rural Indian too is benefiting from our technological impetus. Over an uninterrupted network of business correspondents, USSD banking on feature phones, RuPay debit cards, Kisan credit card, IMPS, which is a 24/7, and many similar instruments, rural India is reaping all the advantages of digital banking. We move money as we move data, but in a secured environment. It is this very aspiration of ours to bring convergence of the best technological breakthroughs to your life that has brought us to the social media space. While we are currently on Twitter and YouTube, going forward and choosing the next digital platform to interact with you lies on your choice. You desire, we devise. We offer to meet your aspirations.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.